Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with FaceTime waiting for activation. So for fixing it, first you also can try it's just swipe up from down, and here you will see plane, so just click on it and click again. So what it do, it will help you to restart your mobile data. In some cases it will help you. So another thing you can also check is to go to settings, and just here you can see FaceTime waiting for activation. So also I have this problem. So you just need to go to general, open general, and in general you will find your date and time. Here you can see it. So just check if your time zone it's right, city you also and country that you also choose your mobile data. So another thing, the last thing, you just go here to FaceTime, and so in FaceTime when you turn it on, here you can see an error occurred during activation, try again. So you just need to close this and just open again, and you will see here, so here you can see my Apple ID, so you just need to, so here you can see that it's successfully activated. So also you need to sign into your Apple ID. So if you don't sign into your Apple ID, you will see here your Apple ID. So just sign into this Apple ID, just enter your login, your email, and just your password, and I hope that it will help you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.